Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and today I'll explain broken link hijacking. This is a web security vulnerability that looks simple but can cause serious damage if ignored. We'll go step by step to understand what broken link hijacking is, what are its impacts, what causes it, how to test for it, and finally how to prevent or fix it. So what is broken link hijacking? Websites and applications often use external links to the third parties or resources. These resources can be domains, files, images, scripts, or services hosted on a third party outside the company's control. Over a period of time, some of these links stop working. This can happen because the domain expires, or the file gets deleted, or the service is discontinued. When a link no longer points to a valid resource, we call it a broken link. Here is the key issue. Even though the resource is gone, the link itself remains active on the website. Visitors can still click it and the browser will try to load whatever is now hosted at that location. Attackers notice such kind of abandoned links. They can register the expired domain or replace the missing resource with malicious content. Once they control the destination, they can serve harmful files, fake login pages, or inject scripts. This takeover of the abandoned links is what we call broken link hijacking. Why is this dangerous? Because users trust the link that appear on the legitimate websites. Attackers exploit this trust. Impacts of broken link hijacking. Once attackers hijack a broken link, the damage can be serious. Let's look at the impacts in detail. Phishing. Attackers redirect users to fake login pages. Because the link comes from a trusted source, users are more likely to enter their credentials, thereby their credentials get stolen. Malware delivery. The hijacked link can host malicious files like Trojans or ransomware. A simple click can infect a user's system. Cross-site scripting. Attackers inject harmful scripts through hijacked resource. This can steal cookies, session tokens, or sensitive data. Impersonation. Attackers pretend to be the original trusted service. For example, a hijacked link to a payment gateway could trick users into sharing credit card details. Site defacement. Attackers change the look of the linked resource, embarrassing the company or spreading false information. Brand and trust damage. Even if no technical harm is done, users lose confidence in the organization. A single hijacked link can make company look careless about security. Causes of broken link hijacking. Broken link hijacking happens usually because of poor link management. Let's break down the main causes. Expired domains. Companies forget to renew the domains once they get expired. Attackers quickly buy these domains once they are available and host malicious sites. Removed or missing resources. Sometimes files are deleted or moved from one location to another location, but the old link pointing to the old location is still present. Attackers can upload harmful files at this location. Abandoned third-party services. Many websites rely on external services like GitHub repos, cloud storages, or APIs. If those services are discontinued or abandoned, attackers can take control of them. Stale or external references. Old documentation, outdated blog posts, or legacy code often contain links that nobody checks anymore. These stale links are easy targets. Poor link maintenance. The biggest cause is negligence. Without regular audits, broken link remains unnoticed for months, sometimes even for years, giving the attackers plenty of time to exploit them. In short, broken link hijacking is not about advanced hacking. It's about spotting opportunities where organizations fail to maintain their links. Testing methodologies. Finding broken link hijacking before attackers do is critical. Security teams use several methods. Automated detection. Tools crawl websites and flag broken links. This is fast and scalable, but sometimes produces false positives. Manual validation. Human testers check flagged links to confirm if they are truly broken. This step ensures accuracy and provides confirmation. Domain expiry checks. Monitoring domains regularly to make sure they don't lapse. Some companies use automated alerts for domain renewal. Recursive crawling. Deep scans across all pages, including hidden or nested links to catch the references that automated tools might miss. Exploit simulation. Ethical hackers simulate hijacks in a safe environment. For example, they register a test domain and see if the website points to it. The best approach is the combination of automation and manual checks. Now let's talk about solutions. Preventing broken link hijacking is mostly about discipline and good practices. Avoid over-reliance on third-party services. Host critical services internally whenever possible. If you must use external services, choose providers with strong reliability and security. Prioritize linking to stable sources. Use trusted long-term providers instead of temporary blocks. Conduct manual penetration testing. Automated scans are useful, but manual penetration testing often reveals subtle issues that the tools miss. Remove dead links or update it to valid resource. Don't leave the broken links hanging around. Replace them with valid resources or remove them completely. Implement 301 redirects. If a resource moves, use redirects to guide users to the new location. This prevents attackers from exploiting the old link. Reclaim expired domains. If a domain lapses, renew it or buy it back before the attackers do. This is especially important for domains linked in old documentation. Other methods like regular link audits, security awareness, and user trainings are really helpful. To wrap up, broken link hijacking may look harmless, but its consequences can be severe. The good news is, with regular audits, proactive testing, and smart prevention strategies, the organization can stay safe. This presentation is based on verified public web sources and official documentation whose references are as seen. Thank you for listening, and I hope this session has given you a clear understanding of broken link hijacking, its causes, impacts, and how to defend against it.